Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to create email templates in Gmail. So let's go to the Gmail first. After logging into your Gmail account, you have to click on this settings icon, which is top right corner, this one. Click on see all settings. Now choose this one, advanced. Now you'll find here templates. You have to click on enable and then click on save changes. Now go to compose and make your template like okay. Now if you want to save this template, you have to click on this three dot, then you'll find here templates, then you have to choose draft, save draft as template, choose save as new template. Now you have to name this template any template you want. Personal testing. Click on save. Now you can cross this one, and if you want to see the template again, you have to go here, choose any mail to send, write any subject, or you can go here directly and go to templates, and then you'll find here personal testing template. Click on this and click on save. Do the same template and you'll find here personal testing. Click on personal testing and then you'll find the template has been changed. Okay, so this is how you can make a template in Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.